Today I got my new washing machine hire. Just I got delivery from Harvey Norman, and it's a 9 kg one. You can see the delivery guy just set it up here. I have to turn it on. So I couldn't find enough review of this model on hire washing machine on YouTube. Actually not much review about the hire washing machine. So it was rainy, so some rain dropping on my machine, and yeah, it's got hot water connection or the cold water, I think. Yeah, cold water. This is hot, this is cold, the blue one. So it's got only most of the front loader got one connection, that is cold water, and machine have the heater. So that is like a one kind of foam. I think that is for the support the side, not to hit something. Oh, it's turned on. I pushed it on. It's plugged in already. Turn it on. It's a 9 kg one. The unboxing, there is nothing like a heavy foam, anything to protect that machine when they deliver that machine. Only some of the wraps and tips I got over the glass door, over the panel here, some plastic things too. And that is all I got. This is some clips to close the balancing. Even I don't know, I bought that one, is brand new from Harvey Norman. Normally the always machine have like, you know, the lock in the behind something to drum to when it's trouble, but the guy who delivered me, they didn't remove that one, and I found there is nothing in the back. Actually I can show you. This is already open. I think the guy is already opened that one, so I don't know. They deliver like that. I don't know, they removed that one before or what they did. So the machine, this one I bought because you can see this is inverter and UV protection and smart dosing. So I'll open this one. So this is smart dosing, the liquid one. This is powder. This is for opening. This is, I think, for the softener. And this one have Wi-Fi built in. So this model is the second one, HWF90AN1 model, and that's all I got actually from there. I don't know what was inside. Even there was nothing. The balancing key was in a package. I couldn't find. They didn't find anything. So I'll show you. It's automatic turn off. So still. So that sort of the plastic was all over there. So this is left. So I'm turning it on. It's auto dosing. And so that is inside. I think there should be light or something like that. Oh yeah, one light in here to check the inside. It's a good thing. This is the drum design. Wi-Fi standard password. Manual. So I turn on the machine already. I connect the Wi-Fi, so you can see the next to the time is Wi-Fi sign. So the higher is GE and higher, they're the same company, same owner, and there is a app, it's called Smart HQ. You can get it in a manual. So I download that one, but the app is not much helpful. It's just show on and off button, nothing you can change at the app actually. Even nothing at the washing mode, like you can't actually change over there. So there is like it's going on the cotton now. So I turn UV sanitize to check, turn on the soak. And yeah, the top skin is here. This is touch skin, but the selection should be done by the selector, the knob here. So let's see how it goes, how is the cloth goes. So now I'm waiting to see the result. So I like the machine, especially this have the UV sanitize system, which is I think is through by a light, UV light. Yeah, that's all. Normally other machine they have a steam like for the sanitize. Now at this moment sanitization is very important in our life because of the COVID. Yeah, so that's why I choose machine, and Haier is good brand, reputed brand in the world. So yeah, going on. The noise now is not spinning, now it's just washing cycle is going on, but noise is very low. So I like that big door, round door with the big glass. So normally you can't see, but there is a light, so when you turn on you can see inside with that light on, but after few minutes the light goes off when start, because you don't need to see all the time what is going on inside. But I can see a little bit that my laundry clothes are getting cycle, so maybe you can see on the camera, and that's all. And the details of the washing machine you can check in the Haier or the Google the model number and compare with other model number. So this is 9 kg one, and this is more expensive than 9.5 kilo similar look model. This is the new model. I checked with the Harbin 01 and they said I'm the first one who buying that machine from them. So yeah, so that is all. I'll tell later about the spin noise. And another thing I like, I'll tell you, the cleaning section, this is push things. That's I like. Before you used to use some sort of like a coin or other thing to open this one, but this is now pushing thing, so you don't need to any other materials or other tools to open this thing. So this I like. And now all depends on the result of the cloths, how clean it is. So I'll tell you later when it goes on the like a spin, then I'll tell you about the spin noise and vibration thing about the machine. But you can hear the noise now washing. It's pretty quiet, same as my previous one, the Samsung. Yeah, that's all. So you may ask for the washing options are, so you can see here it's cotton, express 15, synthetic, allergy, delicate, bedding, shirts, bulky, wool, durable, spin, towels, refresh, downloaded. I don't know what is it downloaded is. I have to check it out. But there is nothing normally we got found in other machine, that is drum clean. So you might think there is no drum clean option, but before I check, I know that especially this model don't have the drum clean option. So I check online, research on that, and I found that you actually don't need the special drum clean options. Normally what the drum clean do is what is the cotton is doing, same thing. Just put the temperature is highest position, like a 90, so it gets sanitized inside, and you can use the detergent like a washing machine cleaner or the dishwasher tablets that I saw online that most of the people use, or bleach. I don't know, I don't recommend anything. It's up to you guys, because I never tried bleach especially, so I don't know the bleach residue left inside or not if you use the bleach. But you can use the other like a dish soap or a special detergent tablet for the washing machine drum cleaner. But you actually, the main thing is you don't actually need the drum clean option if you use the high temperature and cotton cycle or the other cycle that can allow you to high temperature. So that's all I use. So you can see still the wrap is here. So my son is going to open that one, so I left this one for him to get a little bit excited because he was sleeping when it's delivered in the morning. The machine is now a spinning cycle. You can see 38 minutes left. So that is the noise of this spinning. It's very quiet and not much vibration. Nothing. Is zero vibration, you can say. So now there is a little vibration over this when it starts. See, I don't know, you can notice it not. Little, unnoticeable, very little. And that is the spin cycle noise. You can see how much is validating. They put the plain wrap. You may control more by adjusting the fit. So that's all for the first wash review of brand new Haier HWF90AN1 washing machine. If I'm not happy with the washing quality of the clothes, then I will do another review, but until now it's alright. I'm happy, except the app. The app is disaster actually. It's not much in the app, nothing in the app. After you set everything in your machine manually, then you can just turn it on and off. So Haier and Easy should think about more, because we are in 2021, living in a smart device world, and because it's a like an option that Wi-Fi enable a smart washing machine, so they should improve their app lots, because it's nothing, it's just an app at the moment, turn on turn off, and that is we don't expect from the any smart device. And every time you open the app, just try to reconnect with your device, like a washing machine in my case, and it takes time to reconnect. And the Google, I connect with the Google already, and sometimes Google even can't tell about the status, because it's not automatically connected with the app from my mobile to the machine. So Google don't know what is going on, because that is the big disappointed thing, and hope Haier will think about that. They will think about their competitor, especially for Samsung. Samsung is very well designed, a smart app they have. You can control almost everything. I heard LG don't have much. I don't know, really think. I never use. But Haier should think about that again and again if you want your customer based on the smart device thing, Otherwise there is no point to make that sort of the app and Wi-Fi enable like a smart device to make, if you can't use that feature properly, why you are making this thing. Now I'll show you the app, how it works, what you can do inside. So it's getting connect with the washing machine. So as long as you are not using the app, it will, once you want to use it again, it will take more time to connect. So you can't actually change any options here. Only you can do is stop it or start it. No option you can change. That is the other option that you can see what you can do inside the app. So nothing a special thing in here. Even I try with my Google Home. Google Home actually can't do the voice command for that machine. So app is like we are living in 2001. So there's nothing actually you can do in an app. Nothing we can change. However, it's $20. A smart bulb can do lots of things, and that is expensive machine, and it can't do anything from the app. So it's not really actually a smart washing machine. So that's all. You can see what you can do. but machine itself I think is good. Thank you for watching this video, this review. This is totally independent review, as I am a consumer of this electronics. Hope it will help you at least a little bit for your new purchase of the washing machine. Thanks.